This video focuses on the structure, navigation, and basic functionality of the Warehouse Management Monitor in SAP Extended Warehouse Management. The Warehouse Management Monitor is the central tool for creating transparency across all warehouse processes and actively controlling them. It consolidates information from different areas and presents it in a unified interface. One of the key principles of the Warehouse Management Monitor is real-time representation. All information displayed here comes directly from the operational processes. This means that changes, such as newly created warehouse tasks, confirmed goods receipts, or updated stock levels, are immediately visible. As a result, the monitor not only serves for evaluation, but also functions as an active control instrument. On the left side of the screen is the navigation tree. It contains all the main function nodes, each representing entire subject areas such as outbound, inbound, inventory, or stock and bin management. By expanding the nodes, the underlying levels become accessible, allowing users to directly select the area relevant to the specific task at hand. The right side of the monitor is divided into two sections. The upper area displays the main information in tabular form. Once a selection has been made and executed in the navigation tree, the corresponding results appear here. The lower area serves as the detailed view, where additional information related to a selected object can be displayed. This division into overview and detail makes it particularly easy to keep track of the overall situation, while also analyzing individual processes in greater depth. The principle can be illustrated with an example. In the navigation tree, select Stock and Bin, Handling Unit. In the selection screen, enter the desired HU number and start the search. The upper right area will now display the master data of the chosen handling unit. This includes information such as the packaging material used, the handling unit type, the associated storage bin, and the creation date. These data points make it possible to uniquely identify the handling unit in the system and check its current status. Additionally, all underlined objects are direct links leading to the detailed view of the respective object. The next step is to switch to the detailed view in the lower section of the screen. By selecting Physical Stock, it becomes visible which products are contained in the handling unit, including short descriptions, quantities, and units of measure. In this example, the handling unit includes, among other things, product TG11 as well as product Spark 333. This makes it easy to trace which materials are currently stored in this handling unit and where they are located in the warehouse. This interaction between the navigation tree on the left, the results table in the upper right, and the details section in the lower right enables users to quickly move from a global overview to specific detail information without losing context or having to switch between different transactions. In addition, the monitor provides numerous tools that make analysis easier. Filter functions, individually customizable layouts, and the ability to display detailed views at the push of a button ensure that every user can optimally display the information relevant to them. In many cases, follow-up actions can also be initiated directly from the monitor, such as processing warehouse tasks or opening linked documents.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.